Subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free. And also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on Aval Payasam, a very quick and easy dessert. I've taken about 1 cup of brown poha here, that is the flattened rice. Brown poha is healthier than the white one. 1 cup of sugar, a little dry nuts and fruits, 2 to 3 crushed cardamom, 2 cup of milk, a little ghee and condensed milk. Condensed milk is just optional. If you don't prefer using it, you can just skip this. At first heat a pan and add in about 2 teaspoons of ghee to it. Add in the dry fruits and nuts. Just roast it until it turns a little golden brown. Once you are done, just set this aside. Onto the same pan now let's add in the poha. I have just washed the poha thoroughly in water. Roast this for about 5 minutes in low flame. Meanwhile, heat the milk. After 5 minutes, you can see the poha is little fluffy. Now, let's transfer this poha into the milk. Mix the flattened rice well in the milk and boil this for about 5 minutes. After then, let's add in the sugar. Now goes in about 2 to 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. This will make the payasam a little thick. Once the poha is completely cooked, add in elachi and the roasted nuts and fruits. So that's it. Our Aval Payasam is ready. This Payasam is specially made during the occasions of Krishnajayanthi. This is healthy as well. Hope you'll give this recipe a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Also subscribe to our channel. Please like and share the episode. Thanks for watching House to Home.